So welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to change toolbar position in Windows 10. Make sure changing the toolbar position in Windows 10 is quick and easy. You can either drag it manually or use the system setting. So the first method is the click and drag. So for this you need to right click on the empty space of the taskbar setting. If there is a check mark next to the log to the taskbar, click it to uncheck it. And now hold the taskbar with the mouse and drag your mouse to the top or right side or left side or the bottom side of the screen. So in the second method, you can move the taskbar with the Windows settings. For this, you need to right click in the empty space of the taskbar and click on the taskbar settings. So scroll down until you see the taskbar location on screen drop down menu. Click the drop down and select the left. The taskbar will be moved instantly to the left side, and if you select the top, taskbar will instantly move to the top, and if you select the right, it will be instantly moved to the right side. And if you want to get back to the same place, then select the bottom, and here you can see this. So this guide demonstrates both the settings menu and manual drag and drop methods. I hope you like the video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.